How to apply color filters on iPhone. If you want to use different color filter on your iPhone, then this video is for you. To use different color filter, first of all you have to launch your settings on your device. From here, you will see accessibility option. Simply tap on it. From there, you will see display and text size option. Go through it. From here, scroll down and tap on color filters. From here, toggle on color filter option available. At the last, you will see intensity option. From here, you can choose whichever filter you want. You can just slide that intensity to make the color difference. There you will see a lot of options available like color tint and other option too. You can simply use them and slide it to make change in your screen. In this way, you can easily apply color filters on your iPhone device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.